Hi, what's going on YouTube? And today we have a 2025 assortment fireworks stash. Sorry I didn't upload for a while, I was too busy, so yeah, I had school and such and got a job tomorrow, so might as well get this, might as well, so I'm going to show you fireworks I have for July and New Year's, so this year, so yeah. Let's get, without further ado, let's dive right into it. First, we got the Mad Max 7 shots by World Class Fireworks. Is there a performance? There we go. Immense shower of red, green stars and white glittering for 10 seconds, and shoot up red and blue stars each three times. So this is actually a hybrid fountain / aerial. So yeah, we got some of the morning. Got a whole case of the sorry about that. Morning, we got the case of the number 14 Morning Glories by Dominator. It's molten. I got these from Captain Boom, so if you're aware, Captain Boom is a great resource. However, almost the only things I got online are the Morning Glories because they can't ship fireworks to my state, so where I live. So I got these from Captain Boom, so anyways, more of the sparklers. I know guys, I have a whole bunch, so yep, here's sparklers again. We got Airball by World Class, 5 shots. It's got these from Bomber Brothers. It's just a performance. Chrysanthemum, willow, and lemon, split gold chrysanthemum. So yeah, just one Roman candle. So then we got Mad Thunderdome, 7 shots by World Class Fireworks. Is there a performance? There is. Emits a shower of color stars and white glitter, and shoots up multiple volleys of colored stars with support. Sounds pretty interesting, if you ask me. So sounds pretty interesting. So next up is we got 2 packs of the crackling ground blooms. Is there a brand on here? I don't remember the brand, but I think these are by Showtime. I think not 100% sure. So not 100% sure. So got the one more left of the World Class Growler. This one's the Red Dahlia Lemon. Pretty professional if you ask me, so there's a little tear in it, but that's fine. Next up we got the 7-inch parachute with color changing flares by Boomer. This is a single shot parachute by no performance. Not surprised there, but anyways, not surprised there. We got the Golden Dragon Maximum Load Fountain number 3 by Showtime. There's this brand, Showtime. Is there performance anywhere? No performance? Okay. We got the Primo artillery shells. Let's see if I open this with one hand. Oh, God. Oh, here's the Morning Glory sparkler. Wondering? So that's from the Dominator brand. Guys, I might have to put this down to... Yeah. Yeah, I believe this. I can't seem to get it open in my 3. And I hate to put down 3 guys, so I believe there's 3 left in this thing. So, apologize about that. Next up we got is the TNT Roman candle. I got this a really long time ago, so hadn't used it, so it's just in a holding hand, but I'd stick in the ground anything, because for performance down here, 10 shots, but is there performance? Nope. Just shoot flaming balls, so this also says shoot flaming balls with report. Okay. We got several bottle rockets. Show you. We got the Wild Geese rocket by Maddie Max. Got this from a friend. Pretty cool rocket. We got the Orange Texas Pop Rocket, Texas size. By Alamo Fireworks. Also got this by a friend. Pretty cool. Pretty empty. Single individual ground bloom right there. We got another half pack of the crackling ground blooms. They're off for my birthday somehow. And we got the last in this box. We got the TNT flaming blue balls. 10 shots. Shoots flaming balls to report. Honestly, I don't even know if I need to read that, but it's 10 shots. So, I believe in this guy right here, I believe this 10 shots are, I remember saying how many shots this is. Let me look. Doesn't say, but I believe this is Fireball, if I remember correctly, so. Yeah, there's the 7 shots, Thunderdome, emits stars, sparks, shoots flaming balls. Okay. So, I just hadn't done what? I'm like, okay. If I get any assortments at my local fireworks stand, I'll probably do an unboxing video of it for you guys. It's not until the 28th, man, because I live in the state where, I live in Oregon, so that's safe and sane. Anyways, let's move on. Got some more Morning Glories. Again by Dominator. I'll move these out of the way for you. I'm going to put these in here. The other Dominators. So they aren't such a pain to even carry around. Yep. Anyways, let's see what we got. We got another large Texas Pop Rocket, Alamo Fireworks. So, we got the Frog Firework by Boomer. cool little novelty. So if you're in Oregon, you go to a local fireworks stand. It's not TNT. I recommend this fireworks. So it's pretty cool. Next up we got is the Big Heist. This is a fountain. It's a safe and sane. It missed shower sparks. The performance. White glitter with red and silver, Cynthia with blue. Okay, alright. This is the Big Heist. Got the ground mine. The ground mine, White Birth by Black Hat. That's a safe and sane. So, firework is fastest is titanium sparkler Cynthia. This is regarding America. Performance. Check the other side here. Red, blue stars, white star, white flower, green, red, green, blue stars is silver chrysanthemum, purple, blue pine needle. So that's. Oh, we got another daytime parachute. It's called the BDay parachute with smoke and crackling by Shogun. Two daytime parachute. The BDay, one parachute. 2 daytime parachutes, one with color smoke and one with red crackling stars. Didn't realize there were actually 2 parachutes in here. Hence the name BDay, but we got some more bottle rockets. With this. More bottle rockets. We got broken. Where's the base to this one? Okay, here's the base. See if we can get in there. This one's kind of loose, but as long as it doesn't tip over or anything, that should be gold. As long as it doesn't tip over or anything, that should be Screaming Willie. Also kind of, as long as it's not, again, like it's not going to tip over or anything, but as long as it doesn't tip over, we should be good. It's the BDay parachute I mentioned. This is the Mad Dog Roman candle. 10 shots. Shoot flaming balls. It's by TNT. I think TNT's a crappy brand, if you ask me. TNT's a crappy. Got another bottle rocket. God, I have another bottle rocket, but this one's actually unfortunately broken, so won't be able to use this one. But I have plenty of other bottle rockets to mess around with from the fort, so. We got one more bucket to go through. We got a lot of sparklers in here, man. Let me move the, honestly, I shouldn't have ordered a whole case of them, but at least I got room in this bucket for the sparklers. Again, I'll probably be getting some more assortments from my friend Cody and from the Washington State stands. When I do, I'll get them. I'll do an unboxing and post them for you. Should be at the end of the month, not latest. Here's some more sparklers. Oh my, How many humongous sparklers do we even have? Oh, this is the flashing strobe lights. This is another strobe light by Showtime. They're both by Showtime. Alright. Let me get the rest of the sparklers away in this bucket for ya. This is gonna be the sparkler bucket. Just know that. This is actually gonna be my sparkler bucket because God, I have way too many sparklers. Alright. Hope that's all of them. Oh wait, no. That's some sparklers. Yeah. I won't be getting any sparklers from Cody this year because I have a ton. Anyways, first of all, we had the friendship fountain by it's kind of damaged, so not sure if I'll be lighting this one, but yeah, this one's kind of damaged. I'll probably question that. Anyways, got the Blockbuster Gory Torch by Showtime. I know, as a matter of fact, that Gory Torch is a Showtime brand. So, oh my God, another sparkler. How many sparklers do we have, man? This is the Torpedo Snap. Torpedo Snaps. By, let me show him what it looks like. I don't know if I can. These are like these red cracker things. By, Black Hat. Yeah, Black Hat's the best brand for these salt snappers, so yeah. Got the Enjoy Fountain by who's it by? It's by World Class, didn't see that. Red Lace Flower, Grand Chrysanthemum, Large Sparkler, Lemon Sparkler, Blue Sparkler. Got the Paradise. They spelled Paradise wrong. We've got the A in it, but by World Class. Pretty cool. We got the I do with that Packer Snap. Oh my. Did I drop it? Oh. Oh no, I put it. Okay. Yeah, find it. Got the Screaming Willy. Big Crackling Landmines. Some Pop-It Novelties by TNT. Some Ground Blooms. Pretty cool. Got the Bee's Knees by Brothers. Here's the Performance. Bee's Knees and No Stinger. Silver Crackling Blue Stars and Silver allows them in Purple Stars, and Silver Crackling Red and Green Stars, and Gold by Gold Crackling with Green and Blue Stars. So, Color Sky Fountain I'll put the big fountains over here. This is the fountains over here. This, I'll probably still light it anyways, but novelties over here. Plus we got Magic Whip by who's it by? Like, shit by like them in there. I know that, but okay, we'll just call this generic because I have no idea what the hell the brand is. But sparklers, crazy crack ups, which is the best novelty I've ever seen. But it's cool. Another crazy crack up. Another crazy crack up. Which is, I bet everybody in the world knows what, in the country knows what crazy crack ups do. We got ground balloons, regular ground balloons, not crackling. Magic Whip. Then again, generic, no brand. I'll call no brands generic. So the silver water fountain by Goodbye. Okay, this is generic too because I don't see a brand name on it. We got the Cuckoo, which I know this is by Showtime. It says Showtime on top. Some crackling balls. Some round balloons, excuse me. Sorry, I didn't mean to call them round balloons, but we got another novelty, the big. We got 4 more of this left. Ooh, so good. Man, I starts with gold and copper showers changing the flashing silver, green, and then purple, then it repeats several times. Okay, this is based on that though. Sounds like a good fountain then. Novelty, some crackling brown balloons. Sparkler bucket, novelty / aerial bucket, and fountain bucket. Three main categories here. Got Jack in the Box by any brand name. Okay, TI 569, but it has to mean something. Yeah, I'll just call this generic. Here's two more of the Jack in the Morning Glory with this sparkler. Got black ammo smoke. I believe this is pink ammo smoke by Black Cat. This is pretty amazing if you ask me. So I can enjoy that. Another ammo smoke. Blue this time. Pretty cool. And I call these Tasmanian Devils I turn these Jack in the Boxes and Tasmanian Devils fountains because look like you got 2 more Tasmanian Devils. They're really loud, so some another strobe light by Showtime. Some ground balloon. Some, oh man, I have tons of ground balloons here. This is a ground balloon, but it's missing. Oh, are these supposed to be missing? Okay. Oh no, they're not. They're not missing any of the bottoms, so. And then the junior cuckoo. Fountain. Goes off. Got the Enjoy Fountain. Cuckoo Fountain by Showtime. Ooh, so good. By Bee's Knees. Pretty cool. Color Sky by World Class. Screamin' Billy. Tasmanian Devils. Got quite a few of them. Quite a few of them. Silver Water Fountain, generic. These are sparklers, actually. These are actually sparklers, so these sparklers in here because they belong. Probably need a bucket for sparklers soon. I bought Ariel's down here. Max load number 3. Screamin' Willy. And this lid fell off, so it's alright anyways. As long as it doesn't tip over, then it's good, right? Funky Fountain. And the base lid just fell off again. Hey Dad.
Hey bud.
I'm just throwing my fireworks.
That's fine, I had that.
I'm sorting the
That's right, this is my box.
I'm sorting the sparklers, fountains, Ariel / novelties.
Right on. Very cool.
And the lid, just the bottom of this, just as long as it doesn't tip over, it'll be good.
Let's see. Can you see it?
Like, yeah, like.
I can fix that.
You can fix that?
Yep.
Okay. Oh man,
Not
maybe.
immediately though, so go ahead and take it. Keep it.
I probably shouldn't be buying any more sparklers from Cody this year.
I think you're good.
Good on.
Well, I think you're more than glory. How many regular sparklers do you have?
Not a lot. Okay. Yeah, I'm almost done. I'm making a video.
Okay.
Sorry about that, guys. It's kinda Ariel. This is the frog firework. Mad Max, Ariel. And we got some ground bloom. Alright guys, so sorry about my interaction with my dad. I just went to fountain. So, Ariel's and novelties. Oops. Okay. Alright, that's all I have. I hope you guys, and please stay tuned for the video unboxing of possible unboxing of assortment or assortments coming up in a month. So this is my legal selling state in my state. So hope you guys have a good one, and goodbye. And please like and subscribe, and please stay tuned for the awesome unboxing.